Are you ready to leverage the TikTok platform for profits? It's about time for you to learn TikTok marketing. You need to make a good start with TikTok if you want to be successful with it. In May 2023, there had been over 2.1 billion installs of TikTok. There are over 2.1 billion active users of TikTok, and 150 million of these are from the United States. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, check the description link below or visit my bio. The TikTok social media platform has seen explosive growth over the last 2 years. It now has 500 million users that are desperate for fun and exciting content, and this is a massive opportunity for you to promote your business. To be successful with TikTok marketing, you need to know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. TikTok appeals to a younger demographic, and you really need to speak their language to be successful. We have worked hard to provide you with everything that you need to know to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. Other marketers have tried marketing on TikTok and failed. We do not want you to make the same mistakes that they did. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. You will learn that a number of businesses and organizations have already leveraged the TikTok platform to get the word out. You will be able to engage with your audience on TikTok. You will learn how to create viral videos and grow your TikTok account. You will know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is TikTok and why should you care? Getting started with TikTok. Creating content for TikTok. TikTok hashtags. Marketing strategies for TikTok. TikTok ads. TikTok use cases to inspire you. TikTok analytics. TikTok best practices. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to teach your brain to TikTok marketing. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, check the description link below or visit my bio. Thank you so much.